Hello, it's me again. So, look, it's without the props because the props are kind of dangerous. But I finished up my code that I was going to write for today. So, and I made a basic, just a wooden holder up. So let me just hold her up off the ground a bit. So now I'm just going to put the code on there. This is no props because this will be potentially catastrophic. But let's see, loaded, yes. So now I should be able to plug in my power cable, the Arduino, plug in my prop power. Oh, this is going to be a little bit harder than I thought it was being. So yeah, just in case it isn't obvious because it's completely held together by electrical tape, this is just very roughly put together so that I can test it with all devices plugged in. There we go. Let's see what happens. No props, so it won't fly away. Very nice. Lovely. So that prop, one of them cuts out early. What was this one? It was number 1. I don't know why it turns off early, but it works. So now what we're going to do, we're going to make it a much smaller number. Maybe not that small. Maybe this small. Unplug power cable. Upload it. I'm waiting for it. I'm trying to think of what I could use for a switch so I have to manually connect and disconnect that every single time. Okay, so it's on. Unplug that. Plug that one in. And now go. So we just got to a very slow speed, if it does. Lovely. That went really well. So now we're going to put some props on it, but we're going to first increase this to 1 minute off time, so that there is no accidental powering on of the... Oops. I think I might have just burnt it. Oh no, oh, it's still working. No, all good. Okay, so now we should just be able to run the test. Plug this into there. Now we'll run some sequence, and it should stop for a very long period of time. Now off. See that? Why don't? Look at my code here. There is no reason why that one kills itself sooner, so much sooner than the others. Oh, I want to see what happens if I do this. Nothing. It's stuck on a signal of 0. Restart it. And it does that. Alright. Did. That is good to know. That is very good to know. So I can turn this one off. Oh, I'm unplugging this first. Actually, no, I'm not turning this off. Because I might be doing some changes. Put this up here. Out of the way. And put this over here. And now, I'm going to put these on. So, this one spins this way, so I don't want that one goes on there. That one spins that way, yep. This one spins this way, yep, that's correct, so it can go here. this one spins that way, so I'll spine that. Tight. That one goes on there. Give us a something to tighten them up. Now we need to get something to tighten them with. Here it is. I just use the trick for these. The trick for these is just anything that will fit inside the prop hole. To be honest, so like this. And then we tighten that up. And then we tighten this one up. This one here. I'll just push it all the way down. Tighten that up. Like that. And we tighten this one here up. Push that one down. Yep. Tighten that one. Like so. And then we tighten this one. Same way again. Like so. Now we move that out of the way. Actually move all of this out of the way. Now, just to be clear, I know this doesn't have enough thrust to take off with its current setting. However, it doesn't mean things couldn't go wrong. So, we'll be very, very delicate. So, if I've done this correctly, I will... What do I need to do? Just make sure everything's clear. Yeah. Have a stick. Because, actually, I'd rather break the props than break my fingers. So if I have to stop at emergency, I can use this giant rod to stop the props. But I've tested a bazillion times, so we should be just fine. So first things first, plug this in here. No, didn't quite get going on right. Plug it in there. And I'll be pulling that red cable when I need to. Ha 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 ha! Wait for it to stop. Out. No powering. Sweet. Ha ha ha! It worked. That is awesome. I really want to see it fly, but it's not safe to make it fly without a gyro. Or some extremely solid mount to hold it down. So, for now, that will be all. Thank you guys. See ya.